Hey, it's Michael Rosberg, creator of the Tax Resolution Domination System Toolkit and founder of Roz Strategies. And let me talk to you today about some effective sales techniques. Okay, now I started in the tax resolution business back in 1998 on my dining room table. I had no clients. I had zero IRS experience. My tax experience consisted of doing some manual 1040 for family and friends. And I grew that business. I grew that business from my dining room table to doing 168 consecutive month-over-month increases in deposits in my bank account. That's 14 years. That culminated in doing $23 million in 1 year alone, solely from representing IRS clients. Now, I needed to have an effective sales technique in order to accomplish that. Okay, and I have one that's called my high ticket sales strategy, or my one call close strategy, that's made up of 4 different phases. The first phase is meet, the second phase is probe, the third phase is prescribe, and the fourth phase is close. Now, I'm about to give you a $10 million transition phrase I use between the first phase, the meet phase, and the second phase, which was the prescribe phase. And this is how it went. You're going to want to write this down and use this in your own practice. And let's say the client's name is Max. And here's how it went. I would say, Max, I don't know if I'm the right person who could help solve your IRS problem. Max, I don't even know if we're the right firm who could help solve your IRS problem. But to see if there's some way I may be able to help, do you mind if I asked you some questions? Boom. Do you see what I just did there? Okay, I just pulled the sale out from under him. That's a classic example of takeaway selling, because Max thought you're going to hammer him. Max thought you're going to put some high pressure sales tactic on him. But really, in reality, what you've done now is you've diffused that whole situation, and now you're having a conversation with your neighbor Max. You can now take him through the financial consultation portion of your consultation. You can ask Max any and all intrusive financial question there is, and Max is going to be relaxed and give you your answer. That one phrase, that one takeaway phrase, and I also used assumptive close selling, was worth tens of millions of dollars to me. And I guarantee you, if you use that in your consultations, you'll see an increase in your bank deposits right away. Hey, Michael Rosberg here, the Roz Man, the tax resolution guy. Go check out my podcast, The Tax Resolution Success Show, on Apple or Google. Subscribe, or you can go to my website, rozstrategies.com, and go to the podcast page. It's a great show. Hope you subscribe. I'll see you there.